Good morning, YouTube. John and J&J here with a test video for LBAU390, our 2011 Audi A6. Don't mind the terrible camera work there. I just saw that in the preview. Terrible swoop over. 2011 Audi A6 3.0T. See if I left the hood. I latched it. Car comes with 104,000 miles on it and a very mild left front hit. It was probably fixable, but I'm sure that the price of like an adaptive headlight and an OEM fender obviously threw this thing over the 75% mark. A lot of good parts left on this car for sale, a ton of body parts. It is an S-line car, not much damage on anything besides the wheels. They are a victim of Costco shopping curves. Every single one of these has found a parking divider. Full LED taillight set. We're gonna have a lot of the S-line specific stuff for sale. I believe the rear bumper is different. Got a trailer hitch. I want to know what they were towing with this thing. The real star of this car though is the interior. It is some kind of awesome, I'll just call it peanut butter, two-tone interior. The rear seats are heated. I'm gonna pop in here and turn one of those on. Yeah. All right, I always like to check out the rear seat legroom in these cars. That's not bad. I got the front seat adjusted to my height, which is 6'1", and this is pretty comfortable back here. No LEDs. Fail, Audi. This thing was probably like 60 grand new and I couldn't even get LEDs. All right, let's pop the hood so you guys can listen to the motor. It is already spoken for. You guys are gonna see that in another video going to one of our partners on another channel, but we'll show it off anyways. There's the Supercharged V6 running well. The only noise is the direct injection injectors. Doing its thing. The passenger adaptive headlight made it through the accident. As you guys can see, there is no problems there. Nice tire set, but like I said, all these wheels are carved up. We're gonna single them out. Let's step inside and test out all the features and see what works and what doesn't, because it's an Audi. I'm betting we find something that doesn't work. All right, let's get the climate control going. Oh, it was already on. That is working well. As you guys can see, the MMI screen is working. Let's get some volume. There you go, radio is working well. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission here. That goes into gear. Ooh, backup camera works. Kind of nice. Goes into drive, no problems there. I love this glove box though. I just discovered this a little bit ago. There's no latch here, so I was looking around trying to figure out what's going on. Yeah, I cannot imagine what that costs to fix when it goes out. What's this button? Screen kill. MMI panel is all going to be for sale. It is in good shape. I know a lot of these get some wear on them. The start stop button is missing just a tiny bit there, but everything else is looking good. Let's check the cup holder. Smoker's package. Only one cup holder, Audi? Okay, there's number 2. Come on, there's got to be another cup holder in this thing. No. A luxury touring sedan with this for a cup holder. Audi, we're Americans. We need massive cup holders full of drinks and TVs for our kids. This is why people don't like these cars. Oh. Probably test the power window regulators. How do I start this thing? There it goes. Had to refire it up. Power window regulators all test out on the driver's side. They are going to be included with doors. Let's get the passenger. Up and down. Maybe. Help if I knew how to use a window switch. Let's see what's going on with the sunroof here. That works. I do love these knobs though. This is one of the coolest things Volkswagen ever did, is these sunroof knobs. You can select, how much you want instead of trying to stop it. Boop, boop. Oh, one sunglasses holder. Epic fail too. What fits in here? Like a set of youth sunglasses? This thing is tiny. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up the test video for LBAU390, our 2011 Audi A6 S-Line. A lot of good parts left on this car. We're going to have them all listed on our website, www.jnjautoranking.com. You guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John. Thanks for watching, and we're out.